Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Have you ever seen that cryptic message pop up, libEGL warning DRI2 failed to authenticate? It can be really frustrating, especially when you just want your graphics to work properly. Today, we are going to break down what this warning means and, more importantly, how you can fix it. This isn't just a random error, it points to an issue with how your system's graphics are trying to talk to your hardware. Let's get into it. First, let's understand the components. libEGL is a library. It helps your applications connect to your graphics hardware. Think of it as a translator. DRI2 stands for Direct Rendering Infrastructure, version 2. This is a system that allows your graphics applications to access your graphics card directly. This direct access makes things much faster. When it says failed to authenticate, it means your system couldn't verify that the application had the proper permissions to use that direct, fast connection to your graphics hardware. This often happens because of permission problems, incorrect graphics drivers, or issues with your system's configuration. It's especially common in virtual machines or when using remote desktop connections where direct hardware access is more complex. Now, let's talk about solutions. We'll go through some common fixes. The first thing you should always check is your graphics drivers. Outdated or incorrect drivers are a frequent cause. If you have an NVIDIA or AMD card, make sure you are using the latest official drivers. For Intel graphics, updates usually come with your system's kernel updates. Open your terminal and run system updates. For example, on Ubuntu or Debian, you'd use sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This often resolves many underlying issues. Next, ensure your user account has the correct permissions. Your user needs to be part of the video group to access graphics hardware directly. You can check this by typing groups your_username in the terminal. Replace your_username with your actual username. If video is not listed, you can add yourself to the group with sudo usermod ag video your_username. Remember to log out and then log back in for the changes to take effect. Another helpful step is to install Mesa Utils. This package provides various utilities for Mesa, which is an open-source implementation of OpenGL. It can sometimes resolve dependencies or missing components that cause authentication failures. Install it using sudo apt install Mesa Utils. If you are running a virtual machine, there are specific things to check. Make sure you have installed the guest editions or VMware tools for your virtual machine software. These tools provide optimized drivers and better integration with the host system, which is crucial for graphics. Also, verify that 3D acceleration is enabled in your virtual machine settings. Sometimes, the issue can be with your Zorg configuration. Zorg is the display server for many Linux systems. A misconfigured zorg.conf file can lead to problems. You might need to regenerate or adjust this file, but be cautious, as incorrect changes can prevent your graphical desktop from starting. It's often safer to try the driver updates and permission changes first. Finally, sometimes this warning can appear even when everything seems to be working fine, especially in some remote desktop scenarios or specific virtual machine setups where direct DRI2 authentication might be bypassed or not fully supported. If your applications are running smoothly and you're not experiencing performance issues, you might decide to tolerate the warning, but it's always better to address it if possible for optimal performance. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips help you resolve that libEGL warning DRI2 failed to authenticate error. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Your support helps us create more content like this. We'll see you in the next video.